Apple unveils iPhone 17 lineup, a new era in design, performance, and connectivity. Apple unveiled its ambitious iPhone 17 series, featuring the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. These models boast updated A-series chips, optimized performance, longer battery life, and enhanced smart home and AI integration. The iPhone comes with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display and ProMotion for smooth visuals up to 120 Hz. It features slimmer borders, a ceramic shield 2 front for better scratch resistance, and colors like lavender, sage, mist blue, and black. Powered by the A19 chip, it offers strong performance with AI features like live translation and longer battery life. The dual fusion camera system includes a 48-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and supports 4K video at 60 frames per second, cinematic mode, and audio mix. It charges fast, reaching 50% in 20 minutes with a 40-watt adapter, and runs iOS 26, offering smarter features and a fresh interface. Pre-orders for the iPhone 17 lineup start on September 19th, with availability soon after. Prices begin at $799 for iPhone 17, $1,099 for Pro, and $1,199 for Pro Max, with storage from 256 GB to 2 TB. Available at Apple.com, Best Buy, Walmart, and major carriers. All models include the new N1 networking chip and the C1 X5G modem for faster speeds. Apple Intelligence runs across hardware and software for enhanced privacy and AI features like live translation. The iPhone 17 is for most users wanting AI features, good cameras, and battery life at a lower price. The Pro is for creators needing advanced cameras and performance. The Pro Max is best for those who prioritize screen size and battery life.
Go to GearBrain for more information.